Hello guys, my name is Lolly D. Welcome to my channel. So on today's video, I'll be teaching you how to make this bucket cap, reversible bucket cap. So the first thing you want to get is your pattern paper. Please, if you are working on this particular project, please get your pattern paper, because if you want to use your own fabric, you actually waste much of your fabric. So get your pattern paper, do it this way I'm doing it, fold it into four like you want to cut a flare. Then the measurement you'll be using is your round head sleeve, your head circumference measurements. Mine is actually 22, so I'm going to divide it into four because we actually folded the pattern into four. So this is me trying to align it to get the circle. Then from that point that I made, I'll measure what is left there, and I have 3.5 inches, so I'll measure that 3.5 inches round to get the flare, to get the circle. So this is how it looks, and this is it. Please, when you're done cutting, please, you can actually take the round measurement of that flare so that you will be sure that you have your actual measurement. So you divide that your head circumference into two, whatever it gives you, you use it to create the pattern B. I'm using this one length of 3 inches, but if you want yours longer, you can make it 3.5 or 4, depends on you, but I think 3 is actually okay. So this is our piece B. My head circumference divided by 2, that's the length. Then the breadth is 3 inches. So now you fold it into two. You fold it first, then you fold it again. So when you're done doing that, you should have something looking like this. Then now you use a slash and spread method. So you cut it, but you will leave small space at the edge that is holding it. You can see how I'm doing my own. Please watch this place very well. Please, if this is your first time of seeing my video, please subscribe to my channel. Please, I'm trying to grow this account, so please subscribe to my channel. So this is how we are going to do it. If you have your paper tape, you can make use of your paper tape here, but at the moment I don't have a paper tape, so I'm using office pen to pin it down. So now we are going to be using 0.5 inches, 0.5 inches for the slash and spread method, so that it won't be too big. Sure, you understand? And don't forget, we are still working on B, our pattern B. We're actually going to use 3 pieces for this cap. So this is the second one. You can see I'm measuring my own. Please watch this video very well. Make sure it is 0.5 and make sure it's equal. Like, make sure it is very equal. Don't make this one 0.5 and the other one 0.6. It won't give you the right thing at the end of it. So you can see how I'm doing my own. Please make sure you watch this video very well so that you can get it very well. So this is me trying to see if I have the right thing. So you do that all around for the pieces, and this is how it's looking. So now we are going to cut it out. So cut it out, and this is how it looks after cutting out. So this is our new piece B. So this is the one we are using. That one that we have already cut, we are not using it again. So this is the one that we will be using. So I'll label it the B. So you will now take the flare side of the pattern B. Whatever measurement you have there, you use it to create pattern C. So on my own, I have 13 inches. Then I use the length of 3 inches. So if you want your own longer, it is fine. It depends on you. So this is the piece B. So you fold it into two to get, so into two again, and into two, that's 3 times that we are folding it. So after you are done folding it into 3 parts, please make sure you get that edges very well so that you know where to cut. So you should have something looking like this. Then we will do it the same way we did the second one. We use the slash and spread method, but for this one we are going to use 0.5 inches for the spread. So this is it. I'm trying to work on my own. Please, this actually takes a lot of time than it looks in the video, so please be patient with it. You can see it's 0.5 0.75 inches, rather, the line between half and 1 inch. So that is what we're going to use. We are going to do it all round for all of the piece. And this is how it looks. You can see it's already looking like a flay. So this is the one that will be at the edge of the cap. So we are going to cut it. Please make sure you are cutting the exact measurement, please. It actually go a long way. So this is me trying to cut mine. So this is our piece C. So this is all our piece. They are ready. So now I'm going to use it to cut my main fabric. So this is the fabric that I'll be using, the black one and the African print Ankara. So this is what I will be using for both outside and the inside. So this is when I've cut all of my piece out, and this is how it's looking. You can see I've added stitches allowance all around for all of the pieces. And don't forget your piece B and piece B, you actually cut them on fold. Don't forget that we divided this edge circumference into two. So this is how you are going to join it. You leave a little space from the edge, so then you join the third piece to it again. And this is how it looks after I was done joining all of my piece together. And so you join this side, and this is how it's looking. You can see it's already coming out. Then I went ahead and do the same thing for my Ankara print. So but when you are joining your Ankara piece, please make sure you leave some space for you to turn it, maybe like 5 inches, for you to turn it out. Then after you are done, the stitch you see that I made is actually optional. It depends on you. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please like this video and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.